Welcome to a new era of engineering communication, brought to you by Immersiv Technologies. We turn the complex schematics of manufacturing equipment into captivating and understandable animations. In a world where every detail matters, traditional texts and drawings fall short. Each person interprets them differently, leading to variations that can result in costly mistakes. That's where our animations change the game. Unlike static drawings, our videos engage viewers by showing the actual processes in motion. This dynamic form of communication ensures that everyone on your team, from engineers to floor technicians, shares a consistent, unified understanding of procedures. With Immersiv Technologies, you're not just explaining a process, you're showing it in action. This reduces the cognitive load and eliminates ambiguities, making it easier for your team and clients to grasp complex concepts quickly and accurately. Embrace the power of video and transform your standards and procedures into an immersive experience. Our precise, clear visualizations leave no room for interpretation errors, enhancing efficiency and ensuring that your message is not just seen, but understood. Step into the future with Immersiv Technologies, where we transform traditional workflows into vivid visual experiences, enhancing understanding across your organization.